Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Polite. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Welsh Rarebit. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for being here. I appreciate you joining us today. Like I said, we're going to be making Welsh Rarebit. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We got 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire, half a cup of porter style beer, 3/4 cup of heavy cream, 6 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese, 4 slices of rye bread that we will toast, a little bit of hot sauce, and salt and pepper to taste. Now you can find this recipe in the first pinned comment or in the description box. So let's head over to our stove and start cooking this up. All right, we've got everything over in our mise en place. As you can see, we've also got our pan and the utensils we'll need for this. So I'm gonna go ahead and focus down on our pan and we can begin production. All right, so we just put our heat on about a medium to get the butter melted. We're gonna throw our 2 tablespoons of butter right in here. We're gonna let those start to melt. All right, our butter is melted. Got a little bit of foam action going on there. So now you want to take your flour, equal parts. You just want to throw it in there and sift this up. You want to whisk it, keep it on a low heat. You want to stir this for about 2 minutes just to kind of incorporate it all and to build your roux. But you don't want to get it brown, so we're going to keep an eye out for that. You want a nice blonde roux. Okay, we've got our foundation with the roux started, so now I'm going to hit it with a little bit of salt and pepper, our Worcestershire, and our mustard. Then we're going to continue to stir it, developing flavor along the way. All right, at this point we want to add our beer. Continue to whisk. Now we're going to add the heavy cream. We are going to continue to whisk this up. You want to just make it smooth. Let it sit for a second and get hot again. Stir that up. Now at this time you want to just slowly add the cheese. A little bit at a time, melt what you've just thrown in, and then when that's melted, add some more. And you want to just keep whisking, keeping your heat at a level between medium and medium-low. A little bit more. And it does help to spread the cheese around, not just throw it into a big old pile. Helps it kind of melt. And before you add your cheese, make sure the sauce is hot so it can start melting the minute it hits that sauce. A little bit more in there. This smells really good. All right, just add the last of it here. You're going to add your hot sauce, a little more salt and pepper in there. Just whisk that This looks good. I'm going to shut the heat off. We're going to put our toast down. I'll meet you back on our table. We'll plate this up. Alright, so we've got our 4 pieces of toast right here. Our sauce. We're just going to go ahead and show you how this is plated up. Many different ways of doing it. We're going to just keep it simple for you. Just throw your sauce right on the toast. You can butter your toast if you want to. You can put it in the broiler to give it a nice brown bubbling appearance too. That's it right here. I'm going to throw some things on here to make it a little prettier. We're going to get some shots of this. We're going to come back and taste it. Don't go away. Alright, let's go in and get a taste for this, of this. There you go, see that? Nice little shot there. See how thick that cheese sauce is? How it sticks to the bread. You can taste that beer. You can taste that mustard in there. We deglazed all that. That ruined everything. The Worcestershire, the savoriness that Worcestershire comes through. And when we deglazed that pan with that beer, it really added to building that flavor. Rye bread's a good choice for this dish because it's got a heartiness to it. You get the cheese sauce sticks right to it. Like I said, you can broil this under the broiler to kind of make it look like a kind of a croque monsieur or a croque madame. But this is really good. That sauce is awesome. But there you go. This is really good. You can find that recipe down in the description box or the first pinned comment. This is a Welsh Rarebit. Hope you give it a try. Don't forget my seasoning shop over on www.itsonlyfood.biz. Take care of yourself. We'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping.